First we're going to remove the seats, of course. Take the key, screwdriver, pop it out, other side, Allen key, size 4. The other side, of course, too. Yeah. Pop it up. The seats are gone. Grab your Allen key size 6 and let's remove the 2 screws that hold the tank. And next we're gonna take the wrench with the extension and a 10mm socket and go to the right side of the bike, so to speak, the passenger side, LOL. And we're gonna look here, through here, there's a bolt, and we're gonna just use this wrench to get this out, okay? So it's gonna be okay. You have to wiggle around so that you can pull it out here through the frame, and watch your fingers, okay? Especially when the tank is full. Okay, let's just move the tank to the side so that we have access, carefully and slowly, okay? So, like this. Pull it aside like this, and you should secure it, okay? So, that may be the tricky part when you're all by yourself. I'm just gonna use one of these. See? This, and just go to the pillion side, and yep. Now we have access to the spark plug. Let me show you. So, you see? There's this baby. So easy to access, at least this one. Just take this and wiggle it around and pull, and there you go. There's this. Inside is our baby. And now it's showtime for the big wrench, extension, and 16mm socket for the spark plug. Just make sure that you have this rubber thing inside. This is going to hold and secure the spark plug so it doesn't fall out and you don't break the electrode. That would be bad. Let's go. Easy. Okay, that's it. And let's just unscrew it. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky with one hand. Okay. Now I'm just gonna unscrew it. Just pull it out slowly. Imagine it's a bomb. Okay? So, focus. Don't. Okay. Yeah. We all can see what's wrong with this one. Okay. What we're gonna do next is, of course, replace this one with a new one, preferably the same type. This one is a CR8E from NGK. Make sure that the rubber is inside the socket. Okay. So, put your spark plug in. See, the rubber is working his magic. Okay, let's do it. And again, slowly. Don't want to damage the spark plug. Okay. It's, as I would say, hand tight. Just a quick disclaimer here. If you can, use the manual and the specified torques to tighten the spark plugs. If not, if you're doing it like me, when you insert a new plug, just tighten it by hand, then use the wrench and turn it a half turn more. This should be totally okay. It also says it in the manual, if you don't have a torque wrench, you can do it just like this. This technology, spark plugs, this is over 100 years old. It's no rocket science, okay? It's not gonna blow up if it's a mill to the left or to the right. It's gonna be okay, don't worry. Let's go on. What I forgot to tell you, you're probably gonna need one of these, because when you pull out the wrench after installing the spark plug, the rubber thing is most probably gonna stay inside. So just go in slowly. Wait a minute. Slowly and steady. And here we go. Now let's just reinstall the spark plug cap. There is a triangle right here. Just make sure it points to the exhaust side. Okay? So this means just listen for the click. Like 3 of them. Okay. This is spark plug number 1. One more to go. The front spark plug is a bit harder to reach. It's behind the radiator, so it's like inside here. But luckily we can move the radiator. And again, let's use this wrench with the extension and the 10mm socket and go to the right side of the bike, to the radiator, and down here it's a bolt that we can take out. Okay, that's one. So, okay, you see, there is another bolt, and if it's not too tight, you can move the radiator, and it's up to you if you can work inside here. I cannot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unscrew this screw, bolt, okay, that's one. You see it, it already comes off. Just push it a little bit to the inside, and there you go. I'm gonna do it from this side. You see, it's this one. Okay, just have to grab it and pull it out. I'm just gonna do it like this. Yep, comes out like a dream. Okay, and I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you see, there's the hole for the spark plug, and we're gonna go in. And again, with the big extension and the 60mm socket with the rubber thing inside. So let's get started. Let's get it inside. I can just undo it. Okay, here we go, bad one. So let's get the new plug in again. Easy. Screw and screw and screw. Okay, until it's finger tight. Then again, just a half turn more. Okay, and this is basically it. Spark plug cap. Let's see, where's the triangle? I don't know if you can see it. Here's the triangle. We all know where the exhaust is. But really there is only one way this fits, so don't worry too much. Listen for the clicks. So, this is it. Let's just reinstall the radiator, the tank and the seats. Just a bonus tip, if you want to tighten up something, don't use this wrench, you're gonna break it. Use a key. If you don't see too much, don't worry, it's just a bolt going into a hole, that's all. You just have to wiggle around with the thing to get it into the right position. But it's not too bad. Right in, wrench. Now we're back at the front. These two babies. 1 and 2. Again, use the Allen key. 6. And all that's left to do now is just reinstall the seat and see if it works. It should. Let's go. Allen key 4. Exactly the same on the other side. All we have to do now, start it up. You just successfully changed the spark plugs.